You have heard about Reactive-JSON and you want to know how to start a project with it? Alright, let's go! The easiest way is to head over to the official documentation website, go to the installation section, then click on this nice little button. What this prompt does is exactly what's described on the installation page, so if you want, you can even do everything manually. The first thing you'll be asked is to download a template archive prepared by the Reactive-JSON dev team. Right now, it's a white plus tailwind template. If you don't want that, you can just decline the offer. That will start you off with a clean project using React and the Reactive-JSON library. And if you're already a JS Pro or have an existing React project, check out my other video on how to integrate Reactive-JSON into it. Thanks for watching. If you like the library, spread the word and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our next videos. Ciao!